how to send photos in messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to send photos in iMessage. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone and then tap on the conversation where you want to send a photo. Make sure the other person is also using iPhone so that you can send iMessage. And to differentiate between SMS and iMessage, you have to take in consideration that when you send SMS, the sent text will be green in color, whereas iMessage will be blue in color. So now look for the plus icon in your chat and then tap it in to bring up the photo options. Here you can either select the camera to take a new photo or choose the photo option to access your gallery. So when you click a photo, you will see a arrow like blue option on the bottom right hand side. Tap on it and the photo will be sent. However, if you want to send from gallery, then go to the plus icon again and then tap on photos and your recent photos will pop up. Select the photo you want to share and send it, and that's it. Thank you for watching everyone.